My name is Seth Bullock. I'm a professor in the Department of Computer Science, and my background is in AI and modeling complex systems.
My name is Thilo. I'm a reader in engineering mathematics, and I try to make sense of almost everything using networks and nonlinear dynamics.
Collective Dynamics Research Group that brings together a really diverse set of interesting academics that are working on problems that involve collectives and how those collectives change over time, the behaviour that they generate, where a collective is a set of entities, could be a population of people interacting on social media, could be a group of insects that are collaborating together to build a home, it could be a set of traders interacting on the stock market, or a population of cells that are growing into a creature. What you're doing is building a bridge between those systems and very simple ideas, very simple models that unlock insights into those ideas.
We are a bunch of crazy people who work on very different things, but we have one common vision that kind of unites us. And this common vision is to understand how systems that consist of many interacting units develop some kind of dynamics on a macroscopic level, how rules emerge from the interactions of small scale units that describes in the system on a macroscopic level.
The group is very wide-ranging, so there's a very diverse set of target systems that we care about and a diverse set of tools that we bring to bear on them, from things like transport systems
to collective motion of animals,
to biochemical systems,
propagation of epidemic diseases in the population,
to supply chains and market systems.
Yeah, and for instance, robotics.
All the way through to social systems, social behavioral networks, such as opinion dynamics.
Yeah, and all other kinds of social processes.
One nice example of the way in which research into a scientific question and related to collective behavior translated into a kind of engineering and entertainment context involves collective construction in insects, where a colony of very simple individual insects can collaborate together to build a very sophisticated home. So termites, famously, some species can build these cathedral mounds, which are many orders of magnitude bigger than the individual termites and have this complicated internal structure and function. So a PhD student generating models of termite construction behavior was able to translate that into a 3D video game where you control the behavior of a collection of robots by programming their individual rules, and the challenge of the game is to find the rules that allow the robots to build particular structures by collaborating together in the same way as wasps and termites.
Now you see heterogeneity.
One of the reasons why collective dynamics is a research activity that is really exploding now is the first time that we can combine really a set of very powerful tools that the research group are using. So on the one hand, the massive availability of data about collective behavior systems, whether social systems or biological systems, is really revolutionizing our ability to make sense of them. So that kind of interplay between building mathematical models and deriving firm results from them, and then relying on simulation models to explore cases that are slightly too complicated, too highly structured, too time varying, and then working backwards and forwards between the math model and the simulation model to make progress on our understanding.
The glue that holds these things together is really complex networks. Because if I have a simulation model that works and I want to bring it into mathematics, a useful step is to describe the interactions in the model as a network. Because for networks, I have then the mathematical tools where I can formulate dynamical systems describing these interactions in the model. So putting these things together, we can really start from the data, come up with new models, come up with new simulations, turning the simulations into networks, into dynamics, again into mathematics, and the whole process repeats.
For me, the thing that's most exciting about collective dynamics research is that it combines this kind of strong, applied, problem-solving relevance, and it means I'm connected to live problems across sciences and engineering with really profoundly interesting intellectual questions about the commonality across these systems. So why is it that the rules and equations that we can use to describe one collective system have relevance to others? What is it that links together a population of termites that are building a cathedral mound, this amazing structure, with the behavior of traders on the stock exchange?